Customized print-on-demand (POD) t-shirts are a perfect way to express love, appreciation, and individuality through personalized messages and designs. Whether it's for a dad, mom, son, daughter, or even themed around hobbies like yoga, these t-shirts make meaningful and unique gifts. Here's a detailed description of the different types of customized POD t-shirts. 1. Customized t-shirts for dad, father, can be gifted on occasions, perfect for Father's Day, birthdays, or just to remind him how special he is. 2. Customized t-shirts for mom-mother can be gifted on occasions, ideal for Mother's Day, birthdays, or just as a token of appreciation. 3. Customized t-shirts for daughter can be gifted on occasions, great for birthdays, family reunions, or just as a cute everyday wear. 4. Customized t-shirts for son can be gifted on occasions, perfect for birthdays, casual wear, or family gatherings. 5. Customized t-shirts with yoga themes can be gifted on occasions, perfect for yoga classes, casual wear, or as a thoughtful gift for yoga enthusiasts. So simply, customized POD t-shirts for dad, mom, son, daughter, or with specific themes like yoga allow for personal expression and make for thoughtful, one-of-a-kind gifts. Each t-shirt is designed with care, incorporating meaningful quotes and designs that reflect the personality and interests of the wearer. Whether for a special occasion or just because, these t-shirts are a wonderful way to show love, appreciation, and individuality. Thank you for watching video. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you,